Hi families, for our next word study video, we are going to talk about or review compound words. So students have learned that compound words are two words that are formed and they make another word. So some activities you can do, and this is going to require a lot of creativity. Just try to find some things around the house, and if you don't find anything around the house, you can look them up in the dictionary. But for example, I have a basket and a ball. So if I add a basket and ball together, these are two different things, two different words, but I add them together, I make a new word, which is basketball. Okay. So this again, it would be a fun activity to do with your students. It can be more of like a family engagement. And another thing that you all can do maybe is say a riddle. You can say, I'm thinking of a word, and in this activity, you have a ball. I mean, you would kind of give away, you're probably going to give some hints, but you can say that you shoot the ball in a basket. I don't know, guys. That was the best I can do. But I'm sure there's other riddles out there for compound words. One thing it can be where you say, you eat this at a birthday party and it is round, it has icing on the top, and it comes in different colors. And, you know, kind of just get their minds working, their brains, and they can say, a cupcake. And so then they'll say, oh, you know what, cupcake, I can have a cup. So like a regular cup from home and then a cake. And they see that those two words form a new word, which is cupcake. So one way that they can record is they can just, you know, on their spirals or regular loose leaf paper, they can write the word. Again, I wrote in cursive, but if you want to write in the print, whichever you prefer. Basket, so draw a basket underneath, plus ball equals basketball. Then I have a few other examples that I wrote down. Fire, that was my attempt at fire. Man, fire plus man equals fireman. It's a fire truck and someone with the hat or the helmet that they would have on. And then finger, again, my attempt at a hand with pen plus nail equals fingernail. So, you know, you just, the thing about this is that it can really help students take more ownership over their work, and they can kind of just bring up or bring forth the things that are already in their mind, but they just don't realize it. So that is our compound words. And really quick, another thing you can do if you want to have like a matching game or something, you can, as the adult, the guardian, you can write objects or draw it, and then you can put the word on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Jelly, so that's jelly. It's supposed to be jelly. You can color it, or you can have the students color it. Fish, so jelly plus fish will give me a jellyfish in the lights. Can y'all see that? Okay, yeah. So jelly plus fish equals jellyfish. So yeah, that's something that you all can do as a family as well. It can be either student-led or families. You can find examples online and you can make your own flashcards, and the students can be a part of that. So that is our lesson for compound words.